Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to draw Naruto Uzumaki. So let's start with the hairs. And first you have to draw Dracula teeth like this and then proceed further. So everyone watch the video till the end to help in my channel growth, and that's the thing more necessary than subscribing to my channel. But if you can do and subscribe too, I absolutely won't mind. And to proceed further, draw the center line like this first and draw a V in the center. And then make it M like this and go on further drawing M's or W's. And the hair will be done in this easy way. After completing the hair, let's complete the bandasa or headband, whatever it is. It's like just simply draw a rectangle. Are you guys still watching and still didn't like my video? That's bad. Go like now. And if you make an encouraging comment, that will help. Like, I smile every time when I read your comments, and I absolutely share my video of smiling at your comments one day on my Instagram. That's not embarrassing at all. And I always get lost in the gossips and don't talk about the drawing. Let's talk about it. I drew the eyebrows like this because they're connected to the headband and it was easy to draw them first. So now it's time to draw the eyes, which is the most crucial thing for every artist. So I drew the lens before drawing the eyes, and that made easy to draw them. Super easy. Similarly, draw the other eye. But don't forget to keep both the eyes equal to each other by drawing a line like this. It's a great help. Now draw the side hairs and then the ear behind it. And similarly, I'm going to do the same on the other side too. Now draw a center line to locate the other facial features. And to draw the nose, I draw two lines like this from the eyebrows straight down and draw the nostrils on the end of them. When I tried first, it was not good enough, so I remove it and I'm doing it now again. And it didn't make much difference. It's the same, but that's better. And now time to do the jawline. So start by drawing the chin and then proceed up. So the jawline is done now. And let's draw this meow thing. Draw just two straight lines for the neck and then the side hairs again. And for drawing the high neck, I drew the structure first to keep them in line, and then I will be drawing the main thing like this. Soft zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And to those lovely viewers who are still watching the video, you shouldn't go without commenting, okay? And liking too. So now I'm using a 4B pencil to do shading. A 3B pencil. I tried to do a pencil flip and I really don't know any, but it didn't go well. I'm doing blending now with my blending stamp. If you guys want an intermediate tutorial of this sketch too, then comment down and I will be doing that. And here's the final look of the sketch. I hope to meet you guys in the next video. Take care of your health. Bye bye. Watch the left video if you want to draw another sketch of Naruto Uzumaki.